What's up guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Have you ever tried printing something but your Epson printer suddenly pops up a cartridge error and refuses to print anything at all? Facing this issue could be super frustrating, but with a few easy steps, you can fix this error. In this video, you will learn how to bypass Epson cartridge error step by step and get your printer working again. Check your Epson printer's display and confirm if it's showing replace ink cartridge error. If you found the same error as shown in the video, press OK. Press the down navigation arrow button and then OK. Make sure the Replace Now option is selected on the screen. If not, select it using the navigation buttons. Press the OK button. Gently lift the scanner unit and keep raising it until it locks in place. Look at your printer's display. It will show you which cartridge has an error. To remove the cartridge, press the small tab on the ink cartridge, then pull the cartridge straight up to take it out. Note: remove only the cartridge that are showing the error. Leave the others as they are. After removing the old cartridges, insert the new ones. Press each cartridge down gently but firmly until it clicks into place. To close the scanner unit, lift it slightly and then lower it all the way down. On your printer's control panel, press the Start button. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes while the printer checks and registers the new ink cartridges. Once the process is complete, the cartridge error should be gone.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.